Meet the two newest members of Black & Decker's 20-volt MAX system of high-performance tools. Our new 1- and 2-speed drill drivers offer the same speed of prior models, but they're lighter and more compact. Easy to use and comfortable, a mid-handle design gives these drill drivers a balanced feel and great maneuverability. A keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy. An 11-position clutch helps to keep the screws from stripping, and an LED light helps to illuminate your workspace. These and a host of other convenient features make completing projects easy. Use the 1-speed model for common DIY tasks, or the 2-speed model for more demanding jobs. Either way, Black & Decker's new 20-volt MAX drill drivers give you the speed you know in a compact design you'll love. Part of the 20-volt MAX system, works with your existing Black & Decker 20-volt MAX power tools and outdoor equipment.